Recently, I purchased a soldering kit from Amazon. Weekly, I get requests for Xbox and PlayStation HDMI port replacements. This is from the brand Mikast. It comes with these items: the iron holder, soldering wire, soldering iron itself. And we have a solder sucker, which is used in desoldering. If there's soldering equipment you own and use and recommend, you can post it in the comments below. Any tips would be appreciated also. What's nice is the digital display, the sleep function. We'll see if this soldering station will be sufficient, or if I'm gonna need to go with a more expensive option. Here's the 5 tips that are in the kit. I guess the 3C, the chisel type, is good for beginners. I've been watching beginner soldering videos. There's links in the description to those, or you can click on the box you see here. Another item needed is flux paste. This is from MG Chemicals. I'm familiar with the brand. I use their isopropyl alcohol item. Flux paste is for cleaning the connection, the board or electronics, so that you get a nice solder joint. Cleaning the solder iron is very important. This is the cleaner from Haku, who also makes soldering irons too. I still need a hot air station. This is probably what I'm going to be purchasing, the hot air station. This sets the stage for future videos. I'll be learning and practicing and going through all the trials and tribulations. From fasttech.com with soldering. Thanks for watching and have a good one.